Did you know the Philippines is made up of 7,641 islands? That means if you travelled to a different island every single day, it would take you almost 21 years to do so. That is crazy. It's just gone midday on this very fine day here in Boracay in the Philippines. As you can see, I've made my way down the port this morning because there's a little beach just along here. Oh, the colour of the water is absolutely fantastic and it's so calm as well. Just like pretty much everywhere else I've been so far. Plan for today, not a great deal. I want to use today as a chance to go around and check out some of the lesser known beaches on the island. And then of course, just as I did at the end of yesterday's video, we're gonna head back to White Beach, which has recently been voted the best beach in the world. And of course, I want to take my drone up there as well. He is not messing about, is he? Blimey. But yeah, this is obviously where I came across yesterday from Caticlan Island. Hello! Caticlan Island to the jetty here. Of course, that's how I got to Boracay. So that's the only way to get to Boracay unless you swim. The ocean water's feeling very refreshing today, which is of course very nice. It is extremely hot out. 34 degrees, just gone midday. That is not too bad. Don't worry, I've put on some sun lotion. I'm not trying to ruin this trip so early on. See that hornet? Oh, you see the size of that hornet? I'm alright. Goodness, when we talk about heading off the unbeaten path, it's about as unbeaten as it gets. There's just nothing out here. Let's have a look up here. Let's see what we can find. Hopefully there'll be a nice beach at the end of it, going by what Google reckons. It's in this direction. Christ, there's just a motorbike. Right. Yeah, I think I'm gonna give that a miss. Plan for today, not a great deal. Of course, I want to use today as an opportunity to find some beaches that are lesser known on the island. Of course, the White Beach has been recently voted the best beach in the world. It's had a lot of attention recently. I think it'd be nice to shed some light on some of the lesser known beaches of this wonderful island. Let's see what we can find. Well, I certainly hope this 45-minute walk was worth it. I'm very tired now, but here we are, we're at the beach. I'm not too sure what this beach is called. I'll check Google in a minute, but as you can see, there is no one else on here. You can hear some thunder in the distance, which is never a good sign, but of course I want to have a quick go in the sea and actually take this off because it is extremely hot out here. 34 degrees is normally okay, but when you've walked an hour to come and find this lovely, pristine, private beach, it definitely takes its toll. Oh, that is much better. It is so nice and warm, and I just wonder, like, would I rather be here on my own or on White Beach, which is absolutely full of tourism? I think I'd rather here. Now that doesn't look too clever, does it? Here we've had quite a lot of rain out here in Boracay overnight, as you can tell. I'm glad the path is dry. No, thank you. I had £1 for every time someone offered me a lift. It's just sad I wouldn't be going home anytime soon. You can see where I am on the map. There are a load of beaches along this coast. Habagat Bay. We've even got Bulabog Beach, which is, I'd say, the second most popular beach here on Boracay, behind White Beach. That is where we're heading now. Now, I've been showing you lots of beaches since getting out here to the Philippines. I think I've found the nicest one yet. Oh, look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. nice flowers out here in Boracay. As you know, it rains, and it rains a lot. Reminds me, I actually forgot to mention, I was woken up this morning by the rain smashing into the window. It was that hard. So anyhow, we're not too far from the other famous beach on the other side of Boracay, and that is where we're heading now. Where is that sunshine? Just imagine how crystal and blue this would be. Oh, it would be absolutely gorgeous, wouldn't it? I know I mentioned the last beach I was on was private. This one isn't much more crowded either, as you can see, but this is the second most popular beach on the island, and I think you can probably see why. Even though it's a very grey day, it is still so pretty. You can see a little bit seaweedy, just as it was in Panglao at Alona Beach, but look, not every nation takes its seaweed problem as seriously as the Caribbean islands, but I don't see it as too much of an issue. I'm going to take this off and head in there. Nearly a 20-minute walk later, I have made it to the other side, the opposite side of the island. I'm back at White Beach, and check this out. Wow, it looks like I've got here just in time. The sun is obviously setting behind those clouds. I came here yesterday, so you can tell my reaction isn't quite as surprised, but no wonder this was voted the best beach in the world. Did you know the Philippines is made up of 7,641, for goodness sake, this bloody cockerel.